Hi, everybody. Happy New Year. Welcome 2022. I'm hoping it's going to be a better year for everybody, and I know it's been rough, but let's hope for the best. This is going to be a super simple New Year's nail art design. I've already put the base coat on, and now I'm going to go in with the Vina Lisa Black on just three of the nails, and then I'll use the iMethod Gold. It's really light, really beautiful, and then a Model 1's Silver. I'm just going to do the matte top coat on the three black nails, and I'm just going to do a clear top coat, no wipe top coat on the gold and the silver. They just don't look good in matte. I've done it before, but with other designs on top, so we're just going to leave them shiny. I'm going to be sugaring with some beautiful black glitter. So I'm going to use the iMethod No Wipe Top Coat to make the glitter stick, and then I will pop it in the lamp and give it a full cure and then brush it off. Now it's time for some bling, and I have these little studs and all this stuff here. I end up not using those. I didn't like the way it looked, so I just stuck with the little circle um, metal pieces that you see there, and then popped, I'm just gonna pop a gem right in it, and that is it. There they are, all done. Very simple, still sparkly and shiny, perfect for the New Year's minimalist who still likes a little bit of, sparkle. So I thought I told you I was going to talk about the iMethod. I have tried few of their products now, and I love the gold, as you guys already know. And I haven't tried the other colors that came with the set with the gold, but I'm going to. The matte, however, I'm not happy with that. It was very streaky. I had a hard time with it. But the other products I absolutely love so far. So, um, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said before, have a great New Year's and happy 2022.